Good morning. I'm Dr. Divya. Today we are going to see Entrepreneur Development Program. Contents, definitions, needs of EDP, its objectives, phases of EDP, roles of EDP, needs of EDP, and evaluation of EDP. EDP means Entrepreneur Development Program. Let us see its definition. What is meant by Entrepreneur Development Program? A program used to develop entrepreneurial abilities among the people. So it will be including inclinations, development, and polishing of entrepreneurial skill into a person which has been needed to establish and successfully to run that enterprise. So whatever it is necessary, they are running it in successful way. So widen base of entrepreneurship by development, achievement, and motivation. So this is their rule. Needs of EDP. Superior performance of entrepreneurs. This is one main important needs of EDP. It will be induce motivation and competence among the young prospective entrepreneurs. Programs similar to India's EDP are conducted in other countries also. For example, Junior Achievement Program based on the principle of Catch Them Young in USA and Young Enterprises in USA. So these are all the main needs of EDP. Its objectives. The important objectives of EDP can be stated: developing and strengthening its quality, analyzing environmental setup, selecting the project in a successful way, and formulating that project, understanding the process and procedure of setting small enterprises, knowing the source of assistance for setting up an enterprise. These are all the objectives of EDP. Phases of EDP. An EDP consists of following three phases. What are all they means? Pre-training phase, training phase, post-training phase. Let us see one by one. Pre-training phase. The activities and preparations required to launch the program come under this phase. So whatever the programs are necessary to launch, that programs which will be coming under this pre-training phase. It includes designing of course curriculum or contents, exploring and selecting appropriate faculty and resource person, interaction of advertisement, screening and selection of potential entrepreneurs. So these are all the pre-training phase. Next, training phase. Now they are entering into a training phase. The main objective of this phase is to bring desirable change in the behavior of trainees. The behavioral changes that needs to be measured and monitored through the training program are raising the motivation level of entrepreneurs, developing a goal directed behavior pattern, raising positive thinking and belief, arousing and raising change oriented innovative psyche, arousing and raising a psyche of risk seeker, developing a high degree of self confidence, developing a psyche of responsibility seeker, developing a strong sense of perseverance and commitment. Post training phase. After the training phase, this phase involves the assessment to judge how far the objectives are taken. The purpose behind this EDP follows is review the pre training work, review the process of training program, review past training approach. Roles of EDP. EDP is considered as the most important instrument to solve the problem of poverty and unemployment. It ensures through establishment of SSI overall nation. EDP performs the following roles: stimulatory role, supportive role, sustaining role, psychoeconomic role. Needs of EDP. The need of EDP can be visualized from the following. EDP facilitates in removal of industrial slums because it leads for decentralization of industries. It facilitates in harnessing of locally available resources which are abundant by providing training and education to entrepreneurs. It helps in improving standard of living of the people because innovation leads to production of goods and services in a wide sphere. It facilitates balanced regional development as it enables developmental of entrepreneurs in different areas of the state or country. Evaluation of EDP. The following criteria should be considered to assess the effectiveness of EDP in motivating the entrepreneurs. One is the activity level of the respondents, new enterprise creation, employment generation in qualitable terms, creation of job opportunities both directly and indirectly, increase in sales and profit, enterprise expansion, total investment made, number of people employed. So these are all the evaluation of EDP.